What's going on, y'all? Rodeo Bo here to level up your summer sublimation drinkware game. Check it out. The top 5 summer slammin' sublimation tumblers. Number 1. Are your customers looking for a way to quench their thirst in style? Well, look no further. The 20-ounce ring-based stainless steel tumbler in white and silver. Make it uniquely theirs today. Number 2. Summer should be filled with fun and laughter. That's why we're getting ready to shake things up with the 16-ounce Milkshake Tumbler in white and silver. That's right, here at Conde, we believe things should be shaken and not stirred. Number 3. Summer vibes in every sip. Embrace the essence of summer with these 12-ounce stainless steel wine tumblers. They come in silver and white. Oh, and I know you got that friend that likes that heavy pour. We also got them in 17 ounces. So keep that party going, y'all. Number 4. All right, ladies and gentlemen, start your engines. This next durable and versatile tumbler is ready to be personalized with your customers' vibes. It's skinny and stylish, poolside or party ready, and is a great on-the-go companion. Check out the classic 20-ounce skinny tumbler in silver and white. Johnny number 5. Summer means vacation, and that means your customers are going to want to be stylish while on the go. Check it out. The stylish Polymer sublimatable tumbler in 15 ounces and 30 ounces. These were designed with travel and personalization in mind. I know you liked all the tumblers in this video. Give Conde a call at 1-800-826-6332 or check out Conde.com.